Let's dive into the controversial world of artificial sweeteners and their impact on our health. Recent studies have raised significant concerns about the safety of these sugar alternatives. A multi-part study involving over 1,000 patients found that high levels of erythritol, a common sugar substitute, are linked to an increased risk of significant heart conditions within 3 years. When erythritol was added to blood or platelets, it led to clot activation. Ingesting an erythritol-sweetened drink caused sustained high levels of erythritol in the blood for up to 2 days. Despite erythritol being naturally produced by the body, some individuals consume up to 30 grams daily, raising potential health risks. A large-scale French study involving over 100,000 adults revealed that total artificial sweetener intake from sources like aspartame, acesulfame potassium, and sucralose increased the overall risk of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases by 9%. Specifically, aspartame was associated with higher risks of cerebrovascular events, while acesulfame potassium and sucralose were linked to coronary heart disease. Preclinical studies in mice showed that aspartame consumption led to pronounced anxiety-like behaviors and changes in gene expression related to anxiety and fear. These effects were observed at doses less than 15% of the maximum daily human intake recommended by the FDA. Dr. F. Terry Wilson suggests that while the potential harms of artificial sweeteners are still being studied, the dangers of sugar are well established. Sugary beverages are linked to colorectal cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Moderation is key. It's best to avoid excess sugar and artificial sweeteners alike. Drinking more water and less processed beverages is a simple, effective strategy. The debate over artificial sweeteners continues, with new research constantly emerging. Stay informed and make balanced choices for your health.